Welcome back everyone to Train Simulator Pro USA, and today we are getting ready to haul Maryland and Western Pacific 17M from Kenwick Oil Terminal to Vancouver Train Yard. So I made a decision. Anything that's coming towards the Kenwick Train Yard from that direction, even if it's not fully going towards Kenwick, is 17M. Anything that's coming away from Kenwick, or if it's not even same thing, if it's not going to Kenwick, is 16M. I haven't made that decision for this route. I am still working on other routes, so I need time on that. So, anyways, let's get these engines fired up. We got the F7s and a PS44 for power today on 17M. The other three PS44s are currently helping the E38s in the Oregon subdivision because there's a lot of freight that needs to be moved. Long way. So all these empty tanker cars are going to be attached to 17M. When we arrive in the Vancouver area, they're immediately going to the Vancouver chemical factory and they're being loaded with acetone, which is stuff that's used in nail polish. Sorry everyone, I'm currently recording this late at night. I should be asleep, but I can't sleep, so I'm doing a video. How am I not clear of the switch yet? Alright, reversing to the other cut of tankers. I don't know what's going to be on. I don't know if there's going to be a 16M running today or not. I do know that locals are running on this line and some passenger trains are as well. But I really don't think that 16M we're going to see a 16M. Part of me thinks it already came and went before we started. Alright, Maryland and Western Pacific 17M, leaving Kenwick Oil Terminal. Just want to make sure I had the correct thing instead of oil factory. I'm thinking about permanently placing this F7 on 16M and 17M, but only I'm going to be driving it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and I will also create a vote for it. Right alongside the Kenwick Highway. I mean, this is a pretty decent size for 17M. I think we got roughly about 40 cars, I want to say, on this train. But the only thing that I do know is that once we reach Vancouver, the F7s will probably return back to here running light power. M&WP 17M clear of Kenwick, 17M out. Yeah, we must have gotten our train earlier before a 16M. Or 16M could be waiting for us in Vancouver for these F7s to take back to the area. M coming to a stop just outside of Kenwick Yard. know this train that's going to be passing us is bound for the Kenwick food factory. I just don't know where he originated from. But it's one of our fallen flag units of the Utah and Arizona that actually ran in the state of Oregon, but then they filed for bankruptcy because they just didn't have enough to do. But we bought them and merged with them, then we became the Washington and Oregon Railroad, and then we became the Maryland and Western Pacific Railroad. And it's raining. Maryland and Western Pacific 17M on the move again to Vancouver train yard. Wow, the town of Kenwick looks like a ghost town. Oh, okay, now there's some cars up there. I just didn't see them. There's an express passenger train. Still have to contact maintenance a way to fix those signals. Because no trains can travel on that track then. Maryland and Western Pacific 17M. Hold on. West Main 2, clear of Kenwick Food Factory. Alright, I'm going to actually count how many cars I got. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33, okay. Oh, there's a local run. Probably filled with some ballast. But I do know that there's maintenance of way work happening up north near where the bridges are, where those massive, super tall bridges are. I do know that they're working there, and I do know that they got the entire main line shut down for right there. We got another passenger train coming today. Another express passenger train. Oh, we're running quite a bit of expresses today. Well, I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense since St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner. Which reminds me, we will not be running on St. Paddy's Day. St. Patrick's Day. Spend some time with our families on that day. We normally have the holidays off. Spend time with our family and all that stuff. M westbound Main 1 clear of Beijing Wood Factory. 17M out. and we will be taking the main track only because the loop track needs to be cleared. We're going to be storing some those RC44s that we owned are going to be stored there, or not the RC44s, the PS44s are going to be sitting on it, and when they're done helping out the E38s. Alright, we're going to be running on single track for a while. I just realized that house has solar panels. That's cool. The RC44s are actually helping out with the maintenance of way work on those bridges. That house right there is the rail fanner's house. Always happy to see us. Maryland and Western Pacific 17M entering Vancouver train yard. I consider this to be part of the Vancouver train yard after this switch. There's some paperwork out. Oh, he's hauling empty coal hoppers for the Beijing power plant. I guess that GP9 finished all of its switching for today, and it's now hauling those empty coal hoppers to the Beijing power plant. Kinda wish we had more tracks to work with. Oh well. Gotta do what we make do with what we got. Plus, these empties are going to go into the Vancouver chemical factory anyway. So this whole area is going to get filled up with train cars very fast. Disconnect wagons. And look at that, we have $1 million in the bank. Alright. No, I don't want to upgrade. Alright, so that's probably going to be on 17M tomorrow. Because it looks like, I mean, I can run a 16M. But I don't got the energy to run a 16M. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one, and hopefully I got a little more energy in the next video. Have a good night.